Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove duplicate multiple entries in Excel. So let's start this is my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So in this data there are some duplicate entries. You can see the 302 and 302, there are two entries with the same data. Okay, so here I am going to remove the duplicates multiple entries in Excel sheet. So let's start. Simply select the inside the cell of this data and use the Ctrl A to select the entire data. After that, go to the Data tab. Okay. In Sort and Filter group, click on the Advanced option. And here the Advanced Filters option is open. Okay. In Action is the first option is automatically selected. And here the list range, select the range of data. If not range selected, just click on this arrow and select the entire data. Okay. After that, just click on this arrow again and click on the unique records only. It means all duplicate multiple entries will remove. Okay, just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the duplicate entries remove. You can see the cell side is 301, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a no duplicates entry here showing. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.